wanted to hop on here real quick and show you guys a really easy Halloween makeup tutorial, okay? I pulled this bandana out of my daughter's dress up bin, and for this hairstyle, it took me longer to find a bobby pin than to do the rest of the hairstyle. So, with that being said, let me show you guys what I have planned. I also wiped off my eye makeup on this side so I can show you. So I'm getting the lightest and most cool foundation that I have, and that's Ivory, okay? But I still want it to look even lighter than that, so I'm gonna add some white concealer to it, okay? Just because she has got some really light skin, right? So I think this is too much, maybe, foundation, but hey. And I'm gonna take the back of my brush and just quickly blend it all together. All right, and add that on. And I am going to do this foundation thick because I want to look very fair-skinned to match cute Rosie the Riveter, okay? And as I brush that on, you can see that is very light. The good thing about the foundation is it color matches. So the longer I wear it, the more it'll match my skin tone, but it is that light shade that I was looking for, right? Brush it onto my neck so that I match. All right, the next thing that I'm gonna do is eyeshadow. So I just wanna keep it kind of a conservative look, but I did wanna do some eyeshadow. So I'm doing a touch of denim here. And after I do that, I'm gonna add Pink Frost to the rest of the lid. But I wanted to do some denim, sort of add some dimension to the eyes. Alrighty. Now I want everybody to comment below, what are you being for Halloween? Or is it too early to say? Or are you not dressing up? Or have you had it planned for months? I think it is so interesting how different people are on Halloween. And I just sort of get that in the right place. And then I'm gonna go in with my foundation brush and just kind of blend it because I don't have a good brush for that with me right now, but this is just going to be great to just blend that together. Okay, next, eyeliner, okay? You can see this is my normal everyday eyeliner, but I am going to add to it with my zoomed mirror here. And I just love how easy it is to apply and how dark it goes on. Okay, there we have eyes for Rosie the Riveter. Keeping it super simple, and I just need to add a touch of mascara. Have you planned your kids or your own Halloween costumes yet? I mean, Costco's had them in their aisles for weeks. Alrighty. Putting on my mascara, then we're gonna move on to, I think, the most important part of Rosie the Riveter's outfit, lips. There's my daughter. She's supposed to be taking a nap. I have garnet in my eyebrows today. She's got very brown eyebrows, so I want to keep that look from her. Very brown and defined eyebrows, I think. Lips. We have, I'm doing blue red. You could also do Fly Girl, Fire and Ice, any of the new reds, Hurricane Red, Crimson Red, even Brick if you wanted a touch more orangey. Honestly, just match your bandana. Whatever bandana you've got, that's what you're gonna do. Adding in the red now. Again, just picked the best red to match my bandana. But any red that you have at home would be fine. But of course, you're buying stuff for your kids' Halloween costumes. So, you know, if you need a good excuse to buy a new lip color, Halloween is a great time. All right, we have my first layer of that on. Now I'm gonna go for blush. For blush, I chose Cherry Blush Scents, and I'm just gonna add that in. Cherry a little bit goes a really long way, but I do want some really defined cheeks because I know that in this time period that was a cool thing. So going for that. Like I said, cherry goes a really long way, so you have to be careful not to add too much, which I might have just done. But the good news is I have my foundation brush with extra foundation, and you just put that over top. See how that totally just undid my mistake? Whew. All right. And this side has more of the amount of product I was looking for. There we go. Second layer lip scents after my blush is done. Oh, guys, Halloween, fall is in the air. I just went through and pulled all my fall sweaters out of my office closet, actually. I store my winter clothes in my office closet right here. Who doesn't do that? And just added that into my regular closet. So I am super excited to get wearing those. For you, if you do Rosie the Riveter for Halloween, I forgot to talk about the shirt. Obviously, I'm wearing just a jean shirt, which you can wear if you don't have a jean shirt. A jean jacket would be good. If not, some people just do plaid shirts for Rosie the Riveter. So those are some good options. All right, these lips are just drying, and then I'm going to add glossy gloss. And yes, I have 2 different nail colors on because that's how my life is right now. I did one hand, and hopefully next time I do a video, I'll have both hands done. All right, getting my glossy gloss. I love when I have a nice clean glossy gloss wand. It means you're waiting long enough in between layers, by the way. All right, so here is my Rosie the Riveter look. Let's see if I can do this pose here. Maybe I need to add some foundation on my arm or something. My arm's too tan for my face. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.